In this particular video, we will look into the female reproductive system of cockroach. Now, the most important part in the case of females is the ovary. Ovary lie laterally in second to sixth abdominal segments. If we try to mark ovaries in this particular diagram, then these yellowish structures. So, this structure and this structure, these are the ovaries which are present. Now, each ovary in turn will be formed of 8 ovarian tubules. So, these small tube-like structures which we can see, these are the ovarian tubules and these are also called as ovarioles. Now, ovaries will be producing the ova and chain of developing ova will be present in these ovarioles. So, this ovary, it will have 8 ovarioles. This ovary, it will also have 8 ovarioles. So, in total 16 ovarioles will be present and each ovariole will be producing one ova. That is why female cockroach produces 16 ova at a time. After the ovary, we come to the next structure, that is the oviducts. So, these pipe-like structures which arise from ovaries and take over with them, these structures are called as oviducts. Now, these oviducts will combine together, will become common, and this common structure is called as common oviduct or vagina in the case of cockroach. This common oviduct will open here and it opens into the genital chamber. Talking about the accessory glands which are present in females, so one accessory gland is present that is called as collateral glands. In the diagram, we can see that these branched structures. So these are not same on both sides. One side it is larger, one side it is smaller, and these structures are called as collateral glands. These collateral glands also open into genital chamber. After this, the next structure is spermaticae. Spermaticae are present in the sixth segment. Spermaticae are the structures which store the sperms which come from the spermatophore of male cockroach. These spermaticae, these also open into genital chamber. So, if we see in this particular diagram, then this structure, this small structure is the spermaticae and it is also opening into genital chamber. So, as we have seen here that there are three structures which are opening into the genital chamber. The first was the opening of common oviduct. The second was the opening of collateral glands and the third is the opening of spermaticae. All these three open into genital chamber. Now, talking about a structure which is called as genital pouch or brood pouch. It is formed by the combination of 7th, 8th and 9th sterna together. In this particular diagram, this structure is actually the genital pouch or brood pouch. This particular genital pouch was divided into two parts. This anterior part was called as genital chamber and this posterior part was called as vestibule. Apart from these structures, there will be female external genitalia, gonapophysis or phelomeres which will be present.